This pandemic has changed our life, but it could not change the symphony of nature. It's morning 6 and the sky is cloudy today. I'll start my morning exercise now and then prepare tea. Reep woke up early and doing his exercise.
Hello and welcome back to channel. It's 16th October today and it's morning 7 o'clock. So as I told you, I'll discuss about kids diet. Yes, kids also need proper diet. Kids need balanced diet and their diet should be different from us. Kids need balanced diet to grow. That's why we have to give them all kinds of food. Carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, minerals and roughage. They are in growing period, that's why they need more protein than us. So today I am going to prepare a complete day diet for an 8 years old boy. They should also take food according to their activity, their age. So let's start from breakfast.
For breakfast, I have taken brown bread, homemade cheese, some tomato and carrot. I'll make sandwich today. I don't prefer sweet bread or white bread because it's made by flour. I prefer brown bread or oats bread or any other millet's bread. So my sandwich is ready and I'm going to cut it in pieces. So yummy cheese carrot sandwich with banana and almond. Banana is full of minerals. Now lunchtime, I am preparing fish curry today, Bengali style fish curry. I have taken one big size onion, one garlic, one green chili and one tomato. I'll make a paste now. So I'm going to boil potato here, so extra starch will come out from the potato. Little bit of salt I have added here. So I'll keep it for boiling. So my potato and paste is ready and I'll take some curd also. I'll add it. I'll add some kalo jeera here. It will enhance the essence of the curry and it's good for health also. Let's start adding one after another. Potatoes, some turmeric, then a little bit of salt. And I have to keep it for fry. After adding paste and curd, I have to stir it for some time. I am adding here 3 teaspoonful of curd. And little bit of sugar I'll add, just a pinch because I am adding curd here. And after that I am adding jeera and dhania dust with little bit of water. I am not adding any chili powder. So let it fry for some time. After adding some water, I'll keep it for sometimes 3 to 4 minutes for boiling. after adding fish, I have to keep it for sometimes for more boiling. It will not be a dry gravy. So for sometimes I have to keep it. It's 1 o'clock and it's Rip's lunchtime, so I have given him rice, sag, the fish curry I have made now, curd with jaggery and little bit of salt, then salad and lemon. For dinner, I am taking musur dal with vegetables. Musur dal is full of protein, so it's very good for kids. So it's 8 o'clock now in the evening. I have taken little bit of onion. Then I am going to add tomato here, a green chili, and little bit of carrot. Then I'll add the musur dal. So after a little bit of frying, I'll add some water to boil it. So it's 9 o'clock and the dinner plate is ready. So hopefully you like this diet plan. This diet plan is for normal baby to overweight baby. Yes, we should not give them excess packet food, junk food or any kind of fried foods. So it is our duty to make a good diet plan for our kids, especially for overweight kids. Up to this, I will meet with you with a new vlog. Till then,